Hey, what's up everybody? We are here in Galveston, down at the end of Seawall Boulevard. If you go east, as far as you go, there's a little parking area right over there. You can always take a right and it comes down here. And there's a little nice little area. A lot of local fishermen come here. Not really a swimming hole. As a matter of fact, there's signs that says don't swim. But you could come out here and watch the ships come in and out. And totally free. Come out here, park out here, have you a good time. Like I said, you just park right there. And so this video we're going to watch, and I'm looking at it right now, the Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas, not Oasis, sorry, wrong ship. The Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas will be, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's over here, over my right shoulder. And we'll film it as it passes by. Yeah, come out here and watch your ships leave, and watch your ships come in early in the morning too. And they'll come in out this way and just float on right on by. It's really neat, really neat.